So today I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly run through lists to check if there's any match so that you can save time using set. So I'm going to be showing you how set simply works. It's very fast. It's a very nice way to brute force any interview coding questions so you can solve it really fast. So what we are doing here is that we have a repository, containing a lot of items, all these items in a list, and then we have another I mean we have a target. We are going to run through this list of targets, check if any of these items, if in the target, exist in the repository list. So the best way to do that using set is just like a 4 or 3 lines. So what we're going to do is that first we're going to convert the repository list to a set, and then we're also going to convert the target list to a set too. So we're going to say repository repository set equals set repository. Okay, and then we are going to also convert the target list to a set. So we can say target set. Oh, sorry. Target set equals set target. Right. So once we have actually converted both arrays into a set, then we can have a set that contains both of them. So we can say matched set equals we can just use the bigger set. The repository array is bigger than the target array, obviously, because that is where we are searching if there's any match. So what we're just going to do, we're just going to say repository set dot intersection. Okay, so this is the kind of a method that we pass. I mean, we run on the bigger set. So we're going to check this intersection will check if there's any intersection. In another word, it's going to check if there's a match uh, between uh, between the target and the repository. So it's going to loop through the repository list, and then it's also going to loop through the target list to check if there's any match. And then we're going to say target set. Okay, so we wanted to check this repository if there's any match. And if there's any match, we should just if there's any match set, then we should just print the match set. We just want to see all the matched items. Okay, so I'm gonna save, and then I'm going to run this. As you can see, we have a matched we have some matched items, right? We have dress, we have bags, and then we have watches. As you can see, these are matches. So you see how fast we can actually run stuff, using a set in Python. So I think you should also add that to your arsenal weapons, so you can actually solve all these interview questions faster. So that's basically what I want to show today. I wish you good luck in your interviews. Keep coding.